Hi everyone, I'm Marcus Grimm with Medtrics. Today we're talking about accreditation. Yes, it's a scary word. Whether you're a new program trying to get started or an existing program, every few years it comes up, right? And accreditation can be a scary thing when that site visit's coming around. Well, one of the things we believe at Medtrics is the platform should help you prepare. Now, recently a Medtrics blog post came up, 14 different ways Medtrics can help you with your LCME accreditation. 14 of them. That's a lot. It's too many for a video. So I've asked Medtrics CEO Tosh to come on and just tell us about 3 of those. Tosh, how are we doing today?
I'm doing great, Marcus. How you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, and I love the fact whenever we talk to our clients about accreditation, even the smartest, most savvy ones, like it's a scary thing. And I love the fact that the platform helps them through that process. And from the jump, you've been pretty committed to making sure the platform helps with anything related to accreditation, right?
Absolutely. Medtrics, we're trying to have one central tool that medical education can be managed from, and accreditation is at the center of all of that.
Terrific. So, when we think about that, obviously accreditation is a very, very big thing. We mentioned there's 14 ways Medtrics can help. You've got a lot of items on that list. What's number 1?
Curriculum mapping. So if you look at the LCME standards 6, 7, and 8, it has to do with curriculum content, curriculum mapping, and monitoring. Medtrics has a comprehensive curriculum management and mapping tool built into the platform. This means you can build out all 4 years of your curriculum, map them, and also attach content to it, and even schedule them so the students have visibility into this. All of your curriculum requirements for LCME in one centralized location.
Terrific. What's number 2? How else does Medtrics help me out with accreditation?
The curriculum is obviously what you teach. The second part of that, or the counterpart of that, is going to be evaluations and assessments. Some of the LCME standards, such as 911, has to do with performance tracking, teaching, supervision, and so on. So Medtrics has a full evaluation system that's built in that lets you handle preclinical as well as clinical evaluations. This includes course-based evals as well as rotation-based evals. We built this evaluation system to be competency-based from the ground up. So when you have the foundational milestones for UME, or you have some other internal competency set you want to track, all of this can be loaded into Medtrics. You can automatically deliver those evaluations to the right people, collect that feedback, and even take it a step further and use that evaluation data in your MSPE letter, which Medtrics generates for you.
So we've talked about number 1, number 2. There's one more you're going to share with us today. What's the third way that Medtrics helps with accreditation?
Third is clinical experience management. Multiple LCME standards such as 3, 5.6, 6.2, it has to do with how you manage that clinical experience. Are you making sure your students have the adequate experience they need? Are you monitoring for their performance in those clinical rotations? Medtrics let you build out the schedules for all of your sites, all the rotations, and then also automatically deliver evaluations to them at the right time. We also allow you to collect case logging, so you can automatically collect logs on what patients your students saw or what procedures your students completed. And the important thing about doing that is it allows you to not only evaluate the student's performance, but also evaluate how your sites are providing adequate clinical exposure to your students. So all of this packaged together is a comprehensive clinical experience management tool.
Folks, we don't want to pretend accreditation's easy. I think we all know it's a big challenge, and it's a real feather in your cap when you have it and when you get through those site visits without any type of citations. But the reality is Medtrics is here to help with accreditation. Tosh just shared with you 3 ways the platform can help you with site accreditation. And over on the website, guess what? We just posted the whole complete report, 14 different ways Medtrics will help you with your LCME accreditation. For Tosh, I'm Marcus Grimm. Learn more at medtricslab.com.